Hello everyone, and I welcome all of you to Online Study for You, a complete placement solution. Friends, this video is very important. Please watch the video till the end. Don't skip, because here I am going to discuss what will be the trend of hiring in 2024, how you will be prepared to get placed in 2024. So please take this video very seriously and then prepare accordingly. Okay, my name is Pratik Srivastava and I have 11 plus years of experience, IT industry experience basically. So from last 11 years, I have worked in different companies. So definitely my experience will help you in identifying, what exactly you need to prepare so that you will be getting placed. So before we proceed further, please do like the video. It takes a lot of effort in preparing this kind of videos for all of you, and do subscribe the channel also. Now friends, 2022 and 2023 there were not much hiring, very less hiring, negligible hiring. That's the reason there are many 2022 2023 batch students are still unemployed. Okay, but this 2024 will be definitely a ray of hopes, right? And from here you can see, so a national level assessment, Deloitte has finally released the result. There are many students for whom the interview still has to be conducted. So dear candidate, congratulations on clearing the national level assessment. You have impressed all who have met you, and we think you could be a great addition to our team. We are excited at the prospect of you joining us. In line with our previous communication, this is to confirm a verbal offer from Deloitte US India offices towards your selection as an analyst trainee at Deloitte Consulting India Private Limited. So this is the result of Deloitte NLA 3.0. Friends, we created multiple groups, right? So here you can say we created Deloitte group, and there are a lot of students who are going to have their interviews, right? So a lot of discussions are happening. We created WhatsApp groups so that we can help a student. See, in all possible ways, we are trying to help you guys. So you can see how many got the mail after interview from Deloitte. So 3% selection, 8% rejection, right? So there are how many of them interviews are happening. So each persons are helping each other in the WhatsApp groups, right? Okay, so we created WhatsApp group to help you guys, and definitely you can join this group so that you can mark your placement in 2024. The link will be in the description, right? It is completely free. We are not charging 10,000, 15,000, 20,000 rupees for the placements. It's completely free. Now let us come back. So other new channel, Economics Times. So three fastest growing jobs in 2024 according to LinkedIn. So there are, in 2024 definitely we are going to see a lot of hirings. Even TCS said that they are going to offer, TCS may offer 7 to 8% average salary hike to these employees, increment likely to be effective from April 1. So companies are definitely in profit, and that's the reason they are also giving the hike. So you have to understand now, IT sector to hire 8 to 10% more in 2024 reports. So now what you have to understand is, so the hirings are going to happen. Okay, the hirings are going to happen. The results are coming out. They are, sending the verbal offer letter. They will send the actual offer letter, right? So also non-IT hirings like TechMahindra hirings for service desk. So this kind of hirings you will be definitely getting it. This, all those things will be keep happening. TCS also released the hiring for BPS. Now, so what I wanted to tell you, friends, right? So you please prepare, right? So there will be exams, then you will be getting result for the interview. After your result for the interview, you will be getting offer letter. All those things will be happening. But many of the students, they got rejected in the Deloitte examination. I'm just taking one example, because they were not ready. Deloitte suddenly told they are going to hire, and then they were not even knowing so how to prepare for the, aptitude, how to prepare for the networking, how to prepare for the security. And then we made the WhatsApp group so that we will be, giving the results like this, right? So many of the students in this group, they have got the results, right? So if you join the group, you can see in the media file, or we can share it. So that's not a problem. So now you have to take a step. So, stick to our channel. So whatever we are putting it, right? So whatever we are putting it, definitely this will be very helpful for you. Either it is any kind of hiring or any kind of preparation videos, each and everything will be put on our channel, right? If there is any update, Accenture onboarding, so please stick to one of the channel. Okay, and now you have to start your preparation, right? So see, from wherever you prepare, but please start your preparation. And as I have told you multiple times, don't pay 5,000 10,000 rupees for your preparation. See, if TCS is not hiring, Now somebody telling you, give me 9,000 rupees, give me 11,000 rupees, I will give you placement guarantee. What? You will go and tell TCS that hire this candidate. TCS hires only when they have the requirement. They don't listen anyone. So don't invest your money in that kind of thing. See, if you have to pay 500, 600,000 rupees, 1,500 rupees, see, there should be a limit on the amount which you do not feel that you are investing it, right? Okay, so now all those things you need to understand. Also put your leg in the other side also. So if there is any kind of government job which is having opportunity, please go for it. Okay, now, and if there is any kind of free internships are there, please do it, because it will have a weightage in your resume. Like Deloitte rejected multiple resumes, right, when the students applied. So I don't want to get into that kind of situation. Okay, then friends, we have launched Achiever 2.4 batch, and this Holi we are going to start with the new batch 25th of March, and it will be started with my class. So I will start with the aptitude, right? Okay, so you will be able to learn a lot. The price is 1,599 rupees. See, the reason is we are going to give you a lot of things, right? So you can see, so live plus recorded classes, all MNC placement plus competitive exams. So government exams also you can prepare. Aptitude basic to advanced, reasoning basic to advanced, verbal ability, coding basic to advanced, DSA C++ and Java, ebook 500 plus question, course certificate, resume building, mock interview, all India mock test, mentor from top MNC, LinkedIn profile optimization, 100 plus job assistance, mock interview, GDPI, private WhatsApp group for job openings, right? So friends, you can see here, if you'll go to the content, right? So already in the live classes, we have started putting a lot of things, right? So you go to content, and if you go to live classes, right, which is happening on the daily basis. So I'll just show you, right? Okay, aptitude verbal ability crash course. Okay, and then okay, so live classes you can see here, right? So LinkedIn profile optimization by Supriya ma'am. So see, all those things are happening on our platform. You do not have to worry at all. So definitely this will be paid. So once you get this, then only you will be able to get that, right? So if you go to the content, we are conducting the live classes Monday to Friday. You will be having live classes, and if you need more videos, more classes, that also we are doing. Coding by Suti ma'am, interview resume, LinkedIn, and coding classes by Nitin sir, verbal ability classes, aptitude and reasoning classes, right? So a lot of things are happening on this platform in just 1599. So please take it seriously. 2024 will be a year of hirings, right? So I want you to get placed and send me a screenshot like this, that I have got placed, right? So soon I will be sharing you this kind of images with the student name and with the student image, those who has got selected. Thank you, take care, all the very best. 2024, you need one company, and you will definitely get with online study for you. Thank you, take care, all the very best.